Meaning of lapis lazuli.
Lapis lazuli.
Lapis lazuli.
Lapis lazuli.
Lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli is a blue semi-precious stone that has been prized since ancient times for its rich color and beautiful appearance. The name lapis lazuli comes from the Latin word lapis, which means stone, and the Arabic word azul, which means blue. It is often used in jewelry and other decorative objects, and has also been crushed into a powder to create the pigment ultramarine, which was once very expensive and highly valued by painters. In metaphysical circles, lapis lazuli is believed to have a calming and protective energy, and is often used in meditation.